Hello guys, my name is Nauraj Saha and today in this tutorial we are going to learn more about string in Python. So for this tutorial, first you have to create a Python file. Now if you remember our previous data type tutorial, to declare a string, first we need to write two double quotation or we can write just a single quotation. Then inside a double quotation, we write some character, and that character can be anything like a number or a text. So let's write my name is Nauraj Saha. After that, our next step is to store this string in a variable name. Now whenever I use this name sentence, that means I'm using this string, and to print this string we simply write print and if we save then run and we get the result. Now let's try the different string like said but as you can see something is wrong here. Python highlight this Nauraj said as a string and something broken and then string, and in programming we call this type of string called a broken string. Now to fix this problem we can enclose our sentence by a single quote instead of double quote like this. We solve this, right? Now let's say we have a very long string, something like paragraph. I have copied a paragraph and I want to assign it an para variable. So I write para. Now if we try to enclose this paragraph with a double quote, it does not work, and also does not work for a single quote. So for a paragraph we use 3 single quotation or a 3 double quotation like now it works. And to print this we know that para, save this and run it. And this is how we declare a string according to our needs and condition. So this is the end of this tutorial. Hope you learned something from this video, and I will see you on the next video.